The Apple Pencil is a very important part of the current generation of iPads. Though the original vision of replacing laptops with iPad is still far away, but what the Pencil can do with the iPad is really an accomplishment in itself. Here in this video, we'll go through some of the hidden and interesting features that you might have not known yet about the Apple Pencil. The Quick Note. The Quick Note is an amazing feature. In this, you can use the Apple Notes even when the iPad is switched off. Just place the pencil on the screen and start writing. If this feature is not working, this might be because your settings is turned off. You might need to go to the settings and turn it on. Apple Pencil Screenshot. Taking a screenshot with the Apple Pencil is quite amazing. Just swipe up from the bottom left or right corner to take a screenshot. You can even annotate on these screenshots. You can toggle to full page option and an entire page will be taken as screenshot. It will be in the file format of PDF. This is the best way of taking screenshot of web pages. Handwriting into notes. You can simply write using the pencil and the iPad will convert them into digital notes. Selecting text. If you want to select a text, you can simply draw a line across and the text will be selected. You can also circle the text to select it. Double tap pencil. If you double tap the pencil, you will be able to switch between the last used item. Spacing between words. To add space between words, you just need to draw a line between the words. Delete words. Just scratch the word and the iPad will automatically delete the word. Add text in between. To add text in between, simply hold the pencil in the place where you wish to add the text and automatically a grey bar will appear and you can write on that bar. The text will automatically be added to the sentence. Copy as text. You can copy handwritten notes by simply using the selection tool. To select the handwritten text, click on it and select the option Copy to Text. And paste it anywhere, it will be copied as text. Using the ruler. The Notes app has a feature of using the ruler. If you are drawing any diagram which requires exact scale measurement, then you can use this tool. That's it guys with the video about amazing and interesting secrets about the Apple Pencil. If you guys like this video, then make sure hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure hit the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Till then, see ya.